It's one of the best feelings of my life. I mean, I've waited nearly 70 years for this, and it's been a dream since I was a little boy, building cardboard spaceships, and now to have had this wonderful team create this incredible spaceship and to have gone to space. I'm still pinching myself, still not sure whether I'm going to wake up and realize it was all a dream. It's God, it's so difficult to describe. I mean, first of all, you have the rush of going from 0 to 3 Mach in 7 or 8 seconds. The noise, and then the pressing back in the seat. Then the sudden silence as you're drifting into space, and then the beauty as you look out of the window and see the Earth below. And then when you unbuckle and you're just floating around looking out at these beautiful views of our beautiful Earth. Oh my God, it's difficult. It's just so beautiful, it's just so spectacular. Well, look, I'm going to spend the next 20 or 30 years of my life just doing everything I can with all our resources to better this world. And most of the other 500 people who've been to space have come back thinking, look at this spectacular world. Let's see what we can do to, protect the rainforests, protect the oceans, protect all the animals and the species and so on. And that's something which I will, set to with a passion. And I think we'll find other astronauts will do the same. To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do. Hey!